How to use Kittl to make a coloring book. The first step is to simply create a new project. You can do this when you click on the three horizontal lines at the top left and simply click on new project. Now, once you've done so, you're going to have to pick a coloring book niche. It could be animals, fantasy, flowers, anime, mandalas, or kids' activities. Multiple niches are really good. Now, the next step you're going to be taking is creating or importing your art. Now, you can go ahead and click on upload to simply upload any of the artworks you have. If you do not have any artworks, you could simply make use of the illustrations menu here to simply add illustrations and use them in your coloring book. And you could also turn those images you have uploaded into line art by simply removing the colors and increasing the contrast so the lines are sharp and easy to color through. An example of this would be with an illustration. So all I need to do here is just simply search for coloring book on the illustration menu. Just click on the coloring book, it's going to search, and then scroll through till you find any of the elements you want to use or illustrations. Click on them. Once you selected one of them, just go ahead to the shadow, click on this option, scroll through and select the. All you need to do is head into photo filter, turn this on, and then reduce vibrance to 0. That takes away the color. You could also reduce the saturation to 0, and that makes it white. So now we have a proper element within our coloring book. You can do the same for this other one here by having another element here and just simply take the vibrance down to 0 and the saturation down to 0 as well. And now we have elements within our coloring book. Now the next step is to head into text and simply add the page title or the title of your coloring book. And then you can now go ahead and add more artboards. So you could just simply click on artboard here and then simply expand it to your taste, and you can have more than one page here. All right, guys, so that's how it's done.